Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how to overlay pictures on Picsart. To overlay pictures on Picsart, open up your Picsart application from your mobile device. Soon after you launch open the app, tap on the See All Plus button at the top left, and from your device's camera roll, go ahead and select a picture that you want to edit. After selecting the picture, you will come across this editing page. From the bottom of the screen, go ahead and click on Add Photo, and then select your overlay image from your device's camera roll or the background option. After selecting a picture, tap on Add at the top right, and you will be able to see two different pictures has been added on a single frame. Now, go ahead and adjust the overlay picture and place it on your screen according to your preference. Make sure that you overlap the image on top of the base image, and once you are done, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on Blend. Inside Blend, you can see multiple options that you can choose from. Go ahead and choose the options under Blend, and you will be able to see that both of the picture has now blended into one. Further adjust the overlay by clicking on Opacity at the bottom and choose the opacity for your overlay image. Increase or decrease the opacity and adjust it to make the overlay image more or less transparent. And finally, you will be able to overlay pictures on Picsart. After you are done with your changes, click on Apply at the top right corner, and that is how you can overlay two pictures into one on Picsart. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.